Hello friends and welcome to my Skillshare video. In this video I will show you lovely people how I made a DIY shirt for the best band ever in the history of bands. For this tutorial you will need a plain shirt, caffeine but that is optional, acrylic paint, fabric medium, a paintbrush, and a colored pencil. First you will sketch out the logo using the colored pencil, but if you are artistically challenged you can use transfer paper or even a projector. You will then mix your paint and fabric medium together. The fabric medium you use will say the proper ratio, but I am wild and crazy and a bad bleep, so I ignored the instructions. When it seems mixed together enough you can begin painting. First outline the letters, then fill them in, and then go over the letters again and again and again and again and again and again and again until they are opaque. It is okay if you mess up a little bit because it will make it look more realistic, or at least that is what I tell myself. If it looks authentic, that is great because you can wear it and tell your friends you are not single anymore and you are dating Roderick, and they will be very jealous of you because he is very popular on TikTok right now. While the paint is drying there are a lot of things you can do, but I recommend listening to Löded Diaper's rendition of Justin Bieber's Baby. Cue music break.
Oh wow. Oh wow.
What's your favorite song?
Oh wow.
Once the paint is dry you need to heat set it using either an iron or by putting it in the dryer. Then for fun I added some glow-in-the-dark paint for some flavor, spice and seasoning. Now enjoy the only shirt you will ever need. It will help you make a lot of new friends if you wear it to places that cool music people go, like the opera or an Ed Sheeran concert. Goodbye now, and please send me pictures if you make this. Please do so we can match XOXO.